jacket. Where's the maroon jacket?
Yes.
Yes.
So when you talk about this game, it's absolutely team effort, real full team effort. Because of that, there are so many worthy moments for the maroon jacket. Starting from little Neymar taking that brilliant catch at the start. I'll tell you, at that time, we all nervous because of the first game, and we don't know what's going to happen. We were underdogs on the GI background. That gives all of you all on the field a lot of lift. So that's a really maroon jacket kind of moment. And then, of course, Liton. Liton taking that brilliant catch. Yes, Liton. And Barbara. Because we all know how Baba is their number one player. And then the funny thing is, our fast bowler celebrated running up to the fine leg and not running towards Liton. Right. Sorry, little underhand. You know the belt. Anyway, and then what's his name? Salman joining, which gave us a lot of good platform. Your concentration coming back to the team after a long layoff. And I can understand how nervous you are at the start, but you never show anything like that. But you stick to your guns and batted the way you normally bat. That is superb. Yes. And then, of course, our little Viraj, as always, is a fighter. He follows his mentor every step, right? He was so happy to be with him, and then that partnership actually set the game up for us. So that's a really great effort. Yes. And there was another worthy moment when the game is not going anywhere, because they were really at it and we were fighting tooth and nails in the middle, and Liton won over, took the game away from us and from them, like the momentum away from that. Well done, Liton, on that. Right? But I can't go away from one person, because that was it's outstanding. I think it's crazy. The concentration of not the runs you score, man. The concentration and the application you have and the discipline you show. You're racing the car for this team, and then new generation, man. Mushe, you deserve the maroon jacket.
Ready, one.
Wait.
There's a birthday boy here. Can we sing the birthday first?
Where's the cake, manager?
Manager, where is the cake?
In the hotel. Okay. Song. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
আমরা করব জয় আমরা করব জয় আমরা করব জয়